Just walk past. Ready? This is the one.
Okay. Am I stopping in front?
Yeah. Ready to go.
I'm quitting vlogging.
Yo, what up? Yeah, I'm gonna quit vlogging for a little while. I'm just gonna put it on hold for a variety of reasons. But first, I want to introduce a story of me hanging out with my mate baking.
Today is a glorious day because not only am I hanging out at home, I'm also hanging out with my dude.
Today is a glorious day.
What?
Whose vlog rig is better?
This is Darcy. He runs a pretty cool little channel. You have to suss him out because I'm going to be on his channel. He's going to be on mine. We're doing a little bit of a collab, little classic little YouTube collab. This doesn't happen often in my channel without getting you out and about exploring. That means we have to go and explore, mate. Does that sound alright?
Oh, do we have to go outside?
But first, let's get cooking.
Roger, right? Yeah, a little bit more. Towards yourself a little bit more.
So we've just done the cooking stage of the cupcake mixture. You were blindfolded the whole time.
Correct, that is true.
How are you feeling? What do you think the cupcakes look like?
I'm feeling super confident. Like, I'm the type of guy that everything just works out for.
It smells burnt AF.
You want to know an interesting fact?
What?
You see this shirt that says Berlin?
Yeah.
Would you think I've been to Berlin?
I would assume so.
No, I haven't. I just got it from an op shop.
Interesting facts with Das.
Basically, I have a lot of things going on right now with my work and kicking off the podcast and also this channel here. So basically, I just want to work smarter and not harder. I want to take YouTube pretty seriously. So I want to make sure that the videos that I make are not only, you know, the quality and on brand that I like, but also that I know or have the potential to track really well. If you want examples of the type of videos I'll now be making for the next few, at least months, maybe click on a video that I made called Why I Hate Living in Adelaide. There's also another one called Why You Need to Leave Adelaide. Alright, we are now on our way to Morialta Falls. We've just finished the shoot with Das for his channel. You excited about getting outside?
We're gonna go see what this place is like on the trip. Cammy boy is gonna ask me some stuff and we're gonna get down to the bottom of the business.
What inspired you to start a YouTube channel?
I started a Facebook page called It's Darcy in about year 8, year 9. But basically I did like these sort of skit things and one of them went viral and got 120 views on Facebook.
Just 120 and that was it?
But dude, that is viral. A couple years later I thought, hey, why don't I just get back into that?
What would you say the kind of subject matter, your approach to making YouTube videos is now then?
Just press record once and let it happen, and then press stop once, eject the SD card once, then insert the SD card into my computer, and then just slap it into the program, cut out the BS, smush it together, chuck a bit of music under it, and then boom, click upload. Watch the millions of people flock over my greatness.
Where did we meet originally?
So it was a brisk evening in the city of Adelaide. Your boy had a bit of a night out on the town. I was roaming the streets, moving from one side of the centre, which would be Rundle Street. No?
Yeah, it would have been Rundle Street. Yeah.
Rundle Street. And I was just having a good time with my mate Kamal. Shout out to Kamal. And then I saw this guy with like about 6 cameras set up, getting like a shot of that and a shot of this and a shot of that. And I was like, oh, dude, I watch Casey Neistat. This guy's like doing what Casey Neistat does. And in my slightly alcohol influenced brain, I was like, oh, must be Casey Neistat. So I ran up to him and I was like, are you vlogging? I was like, oh yeah, you vlogging. So I was like, yo, put me on your vlog and let me say something.
5 minutes.
Get whipped, get what? What's up? We are here. I just seen this dude getting some time lapse doing his thing. I thought that is sick. People out here just doing their thing. So I just went and said hello, and then now I made it. And this is my friend Kamal. And we are here killing it. And shout out to everyone that is doing.
Shout out Adelaide gang. We got people doing things. We got people doing big things.
Shout out to everyone that is doing what they love. See, dude, keep it real. Dude, hang on, sorry, I gotta interrupt. This guy's got camo pants and high vis top half.
Oh my god.
Let me get a Snapchat.
Wait. Oh.
I've got this. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna get it. It's on me. There he is.
Got him.
You want to be seen or not?
I think it's important to know why you're on YouTube and why you make videos and what audience and what brand you want to show the world. What do you offer? What value do you give? And I think though I really enjoy vlogs, I feel like short form, very fast edited, comedic based travel videos are a good way to get people intrigued by what I do, and then eventually I'll go back to the vlogging and people will hopefully get a little bit more excited by that. So that's where I'm moving. If you want to keep up to date with me a little bit more, you can follow me on Instagram. My stories are updated like all throughout the day. So if you want like direct daily content, jump onto my Instagram, camerondoyle, or you can listen to my podcast, or you can just keep liking and sharing the videos you see here.
So I've just pulled the Cam's rig out and I've realised that this thing is f***ing heavy. Anything to say, Cam?
Let's do it, bro. Let's get this bloody adventure started. Woohoo! I don't know if I've ever put it on the vlog.
Let's start a GoFundMe for Cam to get him a new car, because this one's buggered.
We've arrived at Morialta Falls. We're about to go explore.
Alright, g'day, welcome to the falls. These are the rules of the falls.
The falls rules.
No dogs, if you've got 4 legs and fluffy, you're not allowed. No bikes. This is because the Wolverine came once and he scratched a thing, and that's what happened there, and you have to walk like a stick man.
So Morialta Falls is about half an hour from Adelaide, from the city centre, and if you want to go, you make sure you bring a friend, because not only will they become great banter accompaniments, but also someone to keep you going. Because
you got this, man.
That's exactly what I wanted, because that's what I needed. This is what I'm saying. You need that. Made it to the first falls. What are your thoughts, big fella?
Fabulous. No, this is nice. I definitely recommend coming to Cam's recommendations, because he knows what he's talking about.
I try to anyway. We just went to the first falls. Das, my boy, how'd you find that?
It was good, it was interesting.
Glad that you took up my offer to go outside.
Look, not really. It's not over yet. Nah, I'm joking, it was good. Nice, good time.
Yeah.
Got some good pics.
How are you feeling, big fella?
Feel like 2 litre bottle of Coke about 4 days after it's been opened, a little bit flat.
I'd say that would be 120% flat, mate.
Nature!
Woo! Made it to the second falls. For some reason the rocks are really warm. We don't know why. Why do you think, Das?
Because the sun was on them all day.
Because the sun was on them all day. Clever. Oh Jesus! Ah! Yes, I've got my Canon 6D Mark II in here. Probably not the smartest idea, and it's pretty wet, but that's a cool experience.
This is my first attempt at vlogging. We went in here with Cammy Boy. You might have met him before.
Hey.
Are you actually watching his video right now?
Hi. Goodbye, Epic Fools. We'll be back.
Getting outside is a huge passion for you, boy, so I always want to make sure I'm doing that, and also getting other people hyped on getting outside, which is what I've tried to do with Darcy today. He's an absolute legend. Just check the link down below if you want to suss any more of his videos. Really funny dude, really clever and really quirky guy. I like the way his brain works. So I'm going to see you very, very soon, but with that, there's only one more thing to say, and I think the best human to be saying it right now is my guy, Dangerous Darcy.
Cam's quitting vlogging.